Let me show you the way that you can turn on the two-factor authentication on your Messenger. If you want to secure your account and make sure that other people won't be able to access it, let me show you the quick process of turning on the 2FA. So the way that you do it is through the Messenger app. Once you're inside of Messenger, head over to the menu option on the bottom right, and then you need to head over to settings. From settings, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see the section called Account Center. Inside of Account Center, you can tap on See More in Account Center. Now you can do this process also through the Facebook app. It is going to be the same process. Once you're inside of the Account Center, under Account Settings, you'll need to head over to Password and Security. And right here, you'll see the option called Two-Factor Authentication. Now, there are multiple ways that you can turn on the two-factor authentication, such as the Authentication app, using an application such as Google Authenticator, using the SMS or WhatsApp option, or using the security keys. So depending upon what you need, you can select your option. For this video, I'm just going to use the SMS or WhatsApp option and then tap on Next. In the next section, you'll need to select a number that you want to add in and then tap on Next. Now a 6-digit code will be sent to your phone number. You just need to enter it in. Now once you've entered in the code that has been sent to either your phone number or on your WhatsApp, your two-factor authentication will now be enabled. Whenever you try to now log into a different device, you'll need to enter in the code that has been sent to either your WhatsApp or straight to your SMS on your phone. As I said, there are other options as well, such as the Authentication app. You can select the one that you need and then turn on the two-factor authentication. So that's it. That is the way that you enable the two-factor authentication on your Messenger. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check out other videos on this channel.